All right, good morning, people. It is day 3 on our Colorado little trip. We're in, just woke up in St. Vrain Park in Colorado. We are right now packing everything up. Hello, Bubba.
Morning, juniors.
Hello.
They have fantastic showers here.
Yeah, the showers were pretty awesome.
$20 to stay here. The showers 3/4 for 4 minutes, and then 25 cents for any time after that. But it shuts off after the 4 minutes. So you'd have to put a whole another 75 cents in.
No,
Just keep that.
Pro tip, put them in before. Yeah, it even says that on the sign, guys.
Well, I'm a jack now.
So, you just gotta read the sign.
Okay.
Good morning, Richie.
Good morning.
How was it last night?
It was kind of cold. I'm not feeling too great, so had a hard time breathing, but kind of made a cocoon and battened down the hatches. Probably got about 5 hours, so not bad.
So we are off to Breckenridge. They got a little festival going on there today. So we're finishing packing up the car and we'll head on down the road.
What's up, guys? So if you're in Denver and you're looking for a good food spot for breakfast, you got to make your way to Denver Biscuit Company. They have multiple locations. Just Google them, pick which spot's best. We chose one right here in Tennyson Park. Let's go check it out, guys. Walking the streets on St. Patty's Day, just chilling. Not a lot of time here, but we're gonna make the best of it.
Having fun. Pretty cool. This is the pecan bear, caramel, pecans, milk chocolate.
What did you get?
Just a caramel dipped in dark chocolate. It's wonderful. Very basic, but very good.
Guys, we had a blast in Breckenridge. The worst part about Breckenridge is the fact that we're not going to be here for a week.
Yeah.
And that makes me upset.
We're coming back this year.
We're coming back.
I'm determined.
This was a scouting trip, people.
Yeah.
A scouting trip. You need to come. Come in the spring now. It's a little busy, but the weather is insane.
Bluebird skies. Look at that. Bluebird skies.
So now we are making our way to Pueblo, where we're going to stay the night at my friend's. And then the
Wind the
journey
trip down.
I know, but that's okay, guys, because then that means another trip's coming.
And our next trip is gonna be Breckenridge.
So,
Not really.
guys, hit a big like on this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're not already
Don't
a
forget to
subscriber.
ring that bell
Hit
or
the
you
bell.
won't see the notifications.
And we would like to have you guys comment below, what is your favorite ski destination that you have been to? Peace out, guys. Oh, guys, we are driving and we came upon the Continental Divide. Like, look at these views. Insane! We want to come back so bad and hike, and we're going to do it. We promise all you journeyers we're going to come back and hike for y'all. And hike on the Continental
Hey everyone, The Journey here. Thanks for watching.
Hope you guys enjoyed the videos. Click that subscribe button down below to watch more awesome videos.
Check out our website for sweet merch, blogs, and awesome content.
And if you're on social media, make sure that you're checking us out on Facebook and Instagram.
Like us, share us, wear us.
Journey signing off.